All right, those were just my saltines that we're frying up in our oil. Some of these already look like they are crispy enough, so we're gonna go ahead and take them out. Oh, that's exactly what we want. And we're gonna place them right on our plate. These are looking absolutely great, and we're gonna go ahead and fry up about a whole sleeve of our saltines super quick. All right, we have our extra crispy saltines, and I went ahead and grabbed myself a Ziploc, and we're gonna go ahead and slide these all into our Ziploc. That's a whole sleeve of saltines, and the best part about these bags is it's one of those stand-up bags. And we're gonna start off with our ranch seasoning here, and we're gonna add about 1 packet worth of ranch seasoning right in there with our saltines, and that looks about good enough. And then this needs a little bit of heat, so we have our red pepper crushed, and we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of this right in there, depending on how hot you like it. But we wanna make sure that those crackers are still oily and that you didn't pat it off, because that's what's gonna help our seasonings get nice and stuck to our crackers. All right, we're also gonna, of course, add some garlic powder. You know I can't do a recipe without some garlic. So we are sprinkling in our garlic. Ooh, it smells so good. I cannot wait to dig into these. All right, we used our garlic powder. We did about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. All right, and the last thing we're gonna add to this is our freeze-dried onion pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that lid off, and we're gonna sprinkle in about 1 to 2 tablespoons, just depending on how much you like it per sleeve. Now, you could obviously do more sleeves, but I think 1 sleeve is plenty for me and my hubby. We're gonna go ahead and close up that Ziploc, and now it is time to toss these up. Now, obviously, I have my saltines a little darker because I like them to be extra crispy. This is how I prefer them, but you could also just bake your saltines and then put a little bit of butter on them. You can use butter instead of oil on the stove top. You can cook them to your liking, but you do want them to be a little bit crispy because that's what makes them really, really delicious. Now, I am making this for Sunday football, but you can make these as a little school snack. Obviously, hold back on the red crushed pepper if you're making these for kids. But for me and my hubby, this is gonna be nice and hot and absolutely delicious. And we're just kind of having fun with it now. We're mixing everything together. You could also just put this in a bowl with a lid and mix it if you don't wanna waste a Ziploc. But I already had these, so I figured I might as well use it for its purpose. All right.
Good.
Yeah, it looks really, really good. Okay, let's go ahead and get a serving platter super quick. All right, cleaned off that butter we already used, and it is time to dump these babies out. Make sure all that seasoning comes with it. Oh, ho, ho. These look so good, right, babe?
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try one.
All right, you want to try one first?
Yeah, sure.
All right, we can try it together.
All right, let's do it.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Wow, these are absolutely delicious. All right, you guys need to try these, and also let me know what team you're rooting for down below.